What up, the L Squad, and you're watching the L Sisters. So today's video is about 24 hours eating McDonald's. Well, it's clearly, yeah. So right now we're on our way. To get McDonald's, breakfast, which we've never had before. Why does it keep going dark, please? Anyway, I feel so embarrassed having McDonald's breakfast. What? Yeah, that's how. Yeah, inside because we don't even know. It looks like they're going so slow. I don't know this. Yeah. So this is our first time having McDonald's breakfast. Why does it say restaurant? I don't know. Eating inside, I think. Yeah, I think so, yeah. So let's go to McDonald's. We are at McDonald's, child. I know McDonald's is only like 3 minutes away from our house. That is really unhealthy. But, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Good luck. Okay, so y'all, we've arrived at the bag and it's raining so bad. Like, look at the bag. The bag is wet and dripping. Oh my gosh. But anyway, this is mine because I got like a flatbread, cheesy flatbread. It says freshly toasted and ready to go. And I got myself some chocolate juice, orange juice, and she got some of that. I got a breakfast wrap. All things are wrap. Yeah. With sausage, bacon, egg. Oh, I should have took off the potato. Ew. Cheese and brown sauce. I have a headache, guys. With me. Oh, can I see it? I want to see it. I want to see yours. Okay. Oh, the cheesy bacon flatbread. Is she gonna be full with that? Yeah. I'm not a breakfast person, so. It looks kind of good, you know. I'm going to take the whole thing out so you guys can see. It's stuck. I don't want to break it because... Yeah, it's here. Oh, what's going on? The cheese is stuck to the bottom of the pack. Well, I'm giving this a 2-star so far because it's stuck. No, and it smells good. I want to see. Did you show that? Yeah. Oh. What's brown sauce? Barbecue. I knew it. Okay, this is my flatbread. It looks like a taco. A flat cake inside. Your mum got cheese. Let's try. Hash brown. Hash brown. Anyways, oh, sandwich. How come G gets to share? Bigger than 2 too. The cheese is the one they put in cheeseburger. You can tell because I can taste it. The bacon is so fresh. I've never really had a cheeseburger like that before. I recommend flatbread, the cheesy bacon flatbread. Recommended to you. This is coming from me, guys. Listen, because I'm very picky when it comes to food. So took off the hash browns. Why? So you can have it separately. No, that hash browns is good. Do you not like hash browns? Yeah, I only like hotel hash browns. With hash browns, I thought it was fish before. I felt embarrassed buying it. There were so many people there, so I don't know why I should feel embarrassed. I didn't feel embarrassed about being the only person in that. I felt embarrassed about the fact that there were so many people looking at me getting McDonald's breakfast and like, it just makes me. Her logic don't make sense. No, it's because I'm like a sport person. I should be having McDonald's breakfast. Like, come on. But to be honest with you, a sports person is meant to have breakfast, but you know what? She don't have breakfast. I do have breakfast. I have a croissant and a small breast. A brioche. Oh yeah. Okay, so guys, it is currently 1:55 turning 2. Yes, 1:55. And my phone's at 6%, as you guys saw, probably. But anyways, it's 1:55 and we are back at McDonald's because we're getting our lunch. And I'm only getting 20 chicken nuggets. And I'm gonna get with apple pie and Fanta. I'm gonna get my Fanta with no ice. You see, my lifestyle is not nice. I'm gonna get 5 chicken select tomorrow. 5 chicken select? Oh my gosh, we're ordering. Shut up. Okay. 20 chicken nuggets. 20. You see, you need to tell my mom like 10 times so she can hear you. Then she will say it. Did you hear what I want?
20 chicken nuggets.
Oh, okay, with Fanta and barbecue sauce. Yeah, I haven't been through the drive-thru in ages. We always go inside. Are you getting 5 chicken? She's getting a whole meal for lunch.
Yes. I
can't believe it.
Okay.
You're not fat. You know, her legs are so skinny. They're like this. I'm not even joking, because when we're in school, because she wears like some thin tights, and you can proper see how skinny her legs are like this. Even my legs are more thick than hers. Can you believe it? And I don't even eat.
Hi, can I have a 20 chicken nuggets with Fanta
and no ice? No ice. Yeah. No ice.
And
more 5 chicken select meal.
5 chicken select
meal.
Yes, please. What drink?
Fanta and ice.
Yeah. And Fanta.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Thank you.
Are you serious? You said no ice. I'm not gonna get a watery Fanta. Is it just me, or do you guys not like Fanta with ice, or your drink with ice? With no ice, I don't like it with no ice. I mean, I don't like it with ice. PrettyLittleThing.com. That's such a cute cup.
So we have our food.
Shit. Oh, no one's at the top anyway.
Yes.
You can't see. Let me just flip. Okay, so this is the food.
Yeah.
I love mine.
This is mine.
Comment down below if you guys like sweet and sour sauce. I don't like sweet and sour sauce.
And lovely chicken nugget. A share box
And
thing.
the drink at the front.
The drinks at the front.
To get them, but you know they're fantastic, so it's alright. Okay, so we got the food. I'm actually really hungry. This smells making me much more hungrier. Already home.
Yeah.
Can you believe it? 3 minutes away. Actually, 3 minutes.
It's not even there. Yeah, 3 minutes in 1 minute.
If you walk there, bus. Winner. I think it's what? Major. Do you remember that from primary? Look at my scrumptious nuggets. My scrumptious nuggets. You look. Bottom chicken nugget. So hot. Tastes so good. I want the chicken nuggets. No, you're not gonna finish all 20 of them. It's my lunch. Eat your chicken select. Let's show up. I need my barbecue sauce, but I'm not gonna open it because it's gonna spill. Dark.
But we're making you hungry.
I ate your master, God. So guys, for him now, I'm waiting
Much
for
better
lunch, and all I had was 20 chicken nuggets. And guys, I bet you £10 I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna finish this. Trust me. Yes, I am. It doesn't even come with chips, though. It's alright. It's alright.
And my sweet chili dip as well.
We have that.
You can dip it if you want to dip your chicken nuggets.
Oh yeah. I've never done this before. No, please, no. This is my food. Can I have a chip then?
Yeah.
You wanna have 5 chips. 20.
No.
I guess it's scavenger. You have your sweet and sour sauce right there.
Oh yeah.
Sweet and sour sauce is horrible.
So why did you dip your chips in it?
Food's good.
It was filling me up for my breakfast.
It tastes like sweet chili. It's so hot. So guys, it's now dinner time. It is. Let me show you. 18:23. 18:23. Sorry guys, I just felt like doing that.
Get it to me to my blazer, please.
Oh well, I'm just going to the toilet.
Well,
I'm busting, guys.
So what are you doing here if you're busting to go to the toilet?
I just wanted to be in this shot, so.
Anyways, we're too lazy to go out.
Yeah, we're so tired, like our legs are freaking hurting. Did you show them how we're doing it? This is the first time we're using Uber Eats.
Uber Eats. So this video is a lot of breakfast and Uber Eats.
So much. Yes, sir. Breakfast and Uber Eats. Uber Eats £3 for delivery, and we live like 1 minute away. This should be £1. 1 minute, £1.
Yeah, should be really. Anyways, yeah, let's do this. Okay. Lovely said that she was gonna eat So she said she's gonna get Big Mac because she's basically like that. Medium fries, Fanta. Add to basket. And I want to get the new chicken, Jamaican chicken with spicy jerk, whatever it is. Medium fries and Fanta. I feel like having a lemonade. Should I get Sprite instead? Add to basket. Oh wait, and I need to remove the onion. Guys, I hate having onion. Why is it gone so yellow? Like, oh god, why is it so yellow? Hold on, let me try and fix this. Why is this so yellow? Okay guys, I think I messed up this light and made it a bit yellow. It's coming back. But let me just take off the onion because I hate onion in my burgers. Like, do this bit and I get back to you.
Okay, so guys, the food came.
That's the foods and these.
Yeah, this is the food and those are the drinks. Let's see. They come. Do they come in those coasters? Oh yeah, they do. Thought they were gonna be different, but they're the same, guys. And then food. I can't even open it whilst holding you guys. Okay, I need some help here. I'm struggling. I want. Okay.
Got the chips.
I got some. Second time chips. Loving my chips.
You got your Big Mac.
My Big Mac. Did I get any sauce?
No.
Why did you get no sauce? Oh god, that's why you don't get
Jamaican chicken with spicy jerk sauce, which
whatever, so extra.
It's not really got that.
It's not really Jamaican, but anyways, I got my own Big Mac, natural, simple. You guys have seen Big Mac before. I can't be bothered to open it, so yeah, let me open it now because I want to eat. I'm really hungry. You didn't even get no sauce. You're so. You
can get sauce from the fridge.
No, we can't because it has to be from McDonald's. And it's not from McDonald's, is it? That's my evil tree.
It's mean.
I got some Fanta with no ice. Actually, it had ice.
Yeah, that was really quick, kind of.
It wasn't quick. It took longer than I expected. It took like 3 minutes.
Excuse me, you have to wait for the food to cook or whatever.
It doesn't take that long. And plus, it's delivery. So you need to make it quick. It might get cold. Duh. Called common sense, really. So, yeah. I'm really hungry, so guys, I'm gonna eat for now. Okay, so guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys. Yeah, it's 7. Why are you holding it upside down? They can't see. It's 7:15.
That's the time we had our dinner.
Lol. I know, right? I'm full. I'm full. Like literally, I'm full.
I can't even finish my food. Literally, legit.
This is the first time she hasn't finished her burger. Yeah. For the first. It's probably because your lunch was like a proper meal. That's probably why.
Yeah.
And your belly's like full already. I still have this like whole tub of Fanta, and every time I drink it, it makes my belly go like, I don't know, fizzy or something like that. I don't know how to explain it. So
we're just gonna wrap this video here.
Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to comment down below, hit that notification button up there, and I'm telling you, it's up there. Don't listen to her, it's not down here, it's up there.
Notification bell, the post notification
whatever
bell,
it's up there, it's up there, it's up there. Trust me, it's up there. And hit
comment down below more like 24-hour challenges you guys want us to do.
Like, and just comment. You don't just have to comment down. You can comment down anything you want. And remember, you get a shout out. So yeah, it's worth it.
So
hit that big subscribe button. See you guys next time. Bye. Peace.